Homemade ketchup with no sugars. Just amazing. With my cream cheese which I just made. If you like to have the recipe, just write Healtharian on Facebook and you can download it from there as a picture and add it in your gallery. Here you can see the recipes for the ketchup, which is gluten and sugar free, my amazing cream cheese and vegan cheddar cheese and sauce. When you click on the green logo, you're gonna see all the recipes and tips which are already out. And I'm gonna see you next Sunday with another amazing recipe. Ciao!